Bears. You ever been in that position where you're looking at a nice bull market, see a little pullback, you see that it's kind of linking up with support, right? Hits some support, goes up a bit. Ooh, I think this might be a good trade. But couple hours later, whoa, 30% drop. There goes your money down the toilet. Or you kind of place a trade and you go to bed. Think it dropped enough here. Go to bed, you wake up, and it's all the way down to here. Yeah, I've been in that position many times. It's not very fun, I would say. Kind of sucks. But what I have created is something that can get rid of the bears. We're not going to be in the bear market. We're not going to be in the market when it's going down. We don't want to be placing trades here. Why do you want to place trades here? Maybe you can place a trade here and get a little bit of profit, right? But why do you want to place a trade pretty much anywhere here? You're going to be losing money overall, right? So I got two indicators. Two sick indicators. These indicators are going to tell us not to trade here. They're going to tell us to trade here. They're going to tell us to make money here. They're going to tell us money is coming in. We're going to be making money, right? So go to indicators, search DEMA, double EMA. Click that. That'll add it to the chart. Go to DEMA. Click the settings. You're going to want the length to be 1100. So the default settings will be different. Click it and add 1100 to the length. And then click Save as Default. Click OK. Boom, we're set up on the DEMA. Look at this. It's telling us when there's a bear market, when there's a bull market. It's pretty simple and clear. Really easy indicators to read. You're going to like these indicators. No crazy things all over the chart, right? So we got the green line for the DEMA, and when it crossed, when the candlesticks crossed and went down here, it was bearish for quite some time. It's bearish for a while, right? We're not going to be placing trades during this time. You want to be placing trades during this time, right? You want to be catching this. That's where the money is. Money's not here. Money's here, right? I do have, a strategy to catch little jumps here and there, right? But we're going to make this simple for this strategy. We're just going to be focusing on the bulls, the bull market, the upward trend, right? So we want to be placing trades here. We want to be placing trades here. We want to be placing trades not here. So what happens when, the market comes down and then comes back up, then down, then back up? Kind of sucks. It's a little stressful. You get in a trade, it doesn't work out. Get in a trade, it doesn't work out again. Get in a trade, you're thinking it's work out, it comes back down. And it's not really any fun. You finally get in a trade and it does work. And then same thing happens over here, you get in a trade, oh, coming right back down. So how do we avoid all that? We add one more indicator. And that we will go to technicals, strategies, right here, and then Bollinger Band strategy directed. We're going to pull that up, go to the settings, length 200, multiplier 1.001, strategy direction 1. So click all that for the settings, click OK, and now we got our chart ready to go. These are the only two indicators we need for this strategy, and it works well. You put those settings in and it's going to be good. So at the end of this video, I'll show you guys how to set up an alert so you can get stuff sent straight to your phone every time a trade happens or every time a signal happens. So basically signals sent straight to your phone from a profitable strategy. So the Bollinger Band strategy directed, the blue arrow is when you buy, the red arrow is when you sell. But We don't do all of them. We don't want to do it in the bear market, right? So if you look here, we had a blue arrow for a buy, and then it sold all the way down here. And if we pull up the strategy tester, it'll show us a list of trades. And look at here, that lost 16.79% through this whole area. So we would have lost 16% there. The next trade lost 9.17%. Boom, that would have sucked, right? So we don't want to be placing those trades. Those are bad trades. We don't want bad trades. We want the good trades. We want to be placing trades in the bull market. See this? Blue arrow, sideways blue arrow right here. It's above the DEMA. Time to place the trade, right? So we place the trade when the blue arrow is above the green line. Green line, the DEMA, Bollinger Bands is the blue arrow. So you'll get an alert that'll be sent straight to your phone every time a blue arrow happens, okay? And you pull up the chart after you get the alert, and if you see that the blue arrow is above the green line, it's time to take a trade, right? We want to take a trade. It's in a bull market, right? So we took the trade here and we wrote it all the way up to here. Let's see. How much money did that make? Scroll down a bit. That made 18.19%. If we scroll over here a little bit, we got another trade here. And that one made 3.78%. Got another trade here above the DEMA, above the green. All these. Another 5.97%. So essentially we took advantage of this entire bull market and we collected profit on almost the whole thing. We didn't get that, but we made up for it with these little ones here, right? So it's simple as that. You place the trade when the Bollinger Bands arrow is above the DEMA, and you get out of the trade when it's a red arrow. And I'll show you how to set up the alert. You'll get an alert straight to your phone telling you when this blue arrow is showing up on the chart, and you'll get an alert straight to your phone when the red arrow is showing up. So when you get the blue arrow and you look at the chart and it's above the DMA, buy it. And when you get an alert about the red arrow, you go into the chart. Actually, you don't even have to. You can go into your exchange and sell it. So simple as that. We actually have a customized bot that will do this automatically. It won't buy any of these, and it'll buy these. Sent straight to your exchange. It'll buy it automatically on your exchange. Place the trade, take profit when it sends the red arrow, and place the trade when there's a blue arrow. So we do have that, but if you want to be testing this out for yourself, seeing if it works, I'll show you how to set up the alert in a minute. Just take a trade whenever the alert happens. It's above the DEMA, and boom, 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 profit. But we'll go back here and I'll show you a little bit what happens occasionally. Here at the bottom of this bear trend, right, we had a buy and we had one that profited and we missed it because it was below the DEMA. That's going to happen occasionally. Doesn't happen all the time, but it's occasional. And we are taking this hit. Well, we're not actually taking a hit. We're just missing out on an opportunity just so we can miss out on all these bad trades, right? That's basically the only loss. We're not really losing any money. We're just missing that opportunity to miss all the bad opportunities, if you get what I'm saying. So we had another one here where it lost a little, another one here, it lost a little. And these were below the DMA. We didn't take any of these trades. More bad trades we missed. And then we got another bullish trend here, right? So we got in here, made some profit. I think that's about 6%. We got in here, made some more profit, about 17%. And then we did miss this little trade. But we caught this part of the bull market. We caught this little bit of the bull market. Caught this whole part of the bull market. Missed all those bad trades there. Missed all these bad trades here. And yeah, so overall, let's see, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in this area. All wins. And we didn't have any loss, right? 6 trades, no loss, 100% win rate. So we're making money. We're not losing money. And let's see. There are little times right here when it's bullish. We're going to miss on the 2-hour chart. But if we go to the 1-hour chart, same setup, same settings. We see that the DEMA was below our candlesticks here and below the blue arrow. So it was time to buy here. And look, we made 18% right here on the hourly chart. We caught the short-term bullish. And then we made another 4.42% right after that. So we caught the short-term bullish right here. Win, win, win. And then right here, we missed all the bad trades. This one lost, we missed it. This one lost, we missed it. This one broke even. This one lost a little bit, we missed it. So we're still missing all the bad trades on the 1-hour chart, but we're also catching trades here in the shorter term, right? And this, this works on many of the high cap coins. We can look at, Ethereum. Well, I mean, Ethereum prep, that's futures, but they work on pretty much any regular Ethereum. Here we go again. Another 7% right there. Missed out on bad trades, bad trades. Here, boom, profit, profit. This one right here, slightly below, didn't take it. This one right here, we missed out on a little profit, but still making money in the bullish trend. That's what we're doing. No losses. Occasionally we might have a small loss, but they're not going to be big. Not going to be big at all. And I mean, I can't say it's just 100% win rate, but it's very, very, very close. So that's about it. You take a trade when you see the DEMA is below the arrow, right? Once you get a signal to your phone and you see that the arrow is above the DEMA, boom, take the trade. Once you get a signal to sell, you go in and you sell it. Profit, boom, right there, 7% win. So, how to set up the alerts, how to get these signals sent straight to your phone. First, make sure you have these 2 indicators set up on whatever chart you want. Say you want to have the alerts for BTC USD. You want to trade BTC USD, right? USDT. You want to be taking these trades. You want to get in, boom, right here. And let's see what was there. So yeah, make sure you have the settings set up right, like I showed you in the beginning of the video for the 2 indicators. And then all you have to do is pull up what chart you want. So 1 hour, you're gonna want to take trades on this chart, right? BTC USD 1 hour. So you go in, Bollinger Band Strategy Directed, go to these dots right here for more. Click Add Alert on Bollinger Band Strategy Directed. And then notify an app, show up on pop-up, send email. You want those 3 all checked. And then you'll get an alert sent straight to your phone, to your email. Make sure your email notifications are on, boom. And if you have the TradingView app, it will also send an alert straight to your phone from the app. So you'll get a bunch of notifications. It'll be like boom, 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 a trade is ready, right? So once you have that set up, click create, and boom, you're going to get the notifications every single time this blue arrow happens. So when you get the notification, you go to the chart, and if you see that the blue arrow is above the DEMA, you take the trade. It's right here. It's above the DEMA. Time to take the trade. Get in. When you get the alert to sell, you get out. And if it's below the DEMA, don't get in the trade. Simple as that. Simple, simple, simple. Easy to read. So check that strategy out. See if you like it. We do have a bot for it. If you want to message me about that, or it's going to be on our site. So that's it for this little session. I got another sick indicator set up coming up soon. That's it for now, guys. Michael is out.